Welcome to the Port of Halmstad, strategically located 1.5 hours drive from Copenhagen, in a highly industrialized region in the southwest of Sweden. The Port of Halmstad is the leading player in efficient processing of maritime transport goods, for example oil, bulk, containers, timber, wood, steel coils, glass, cars and general cargo. Situated in an ice-free position, the Port of Halmstad offers a short and straightforward approach, supported by good infrastructure. The Port of Halmstad is open 24 hours a day, all year round, making machine reliability a key factor for success. About 30 Kalmar machines operate in this port, ranging from small forklifts to terminal tractors and reach stackers. In order to satisfy the challenging standards of various types of goods processing, two conditions are required: a high level of logistic know-how and the latest technical equipment. In addition to high demands on efficiency and safety, the whole process must take place with the environment in mind. It was considered that this would be an interesting place to utilize our latest heavy forklift. So let us see how the latest addition in the heavy forklift range, the Kalmar DCF 300, performs at work. We define the versatility of a machine by its usefulness in different situations and its capability of handling a wide range of goods with the same configuration. To fulfill this, we have focused on user-friendliness and maneuverability, combined with power and lifting capacity. Equipped with the latest low-emission drivetrain, the DCF 300 is sufficiently powerful to handle 30 tons, whilst still offering a smooth operation in confined spaces. Without any conversions, it can be used for many different tasks, for example handling wood, steel coils and 20-foot containers. Whilst the reach stacker is busy feeding the ship-to-shore crane lifting containers on board the ship, the DCF 300 can be used to pick up 20-foot containers at the other end of the container terminal. In versatile operations like this, cooperation with other machines is a big advantage. The cabin environment looks and operates in the same way as all the other machines in the fleet. This facilitates both safety and efficiency. Kalmar machines are designed from the operator's point of view. This means low noise level, great visibility and a comfortable cabin climate. Even though it's a new machine, it is built from proven components. Kalmar DCF 300 is based on the same technology as the market-leading reach stacker, the DRF. This technological platform includes the CAN bus electronic system with full diagnostics for easy maintenance and fast troubleshooting. The F generation can be recognized by its new design and its high performance. For Kalmar, it's not enough to only offer the right equipment. The Kalmar package includes both the technical solution and the services for long-term support. Our goal is to be the preferred business partner locally on a global basis.